Since Diwali is around the corner, I have the perfect treat for you. Today we are making some Kesar Pista Fudge. Microwave safe bowl, I'll be taking my chopped white chocolate. Then we'll melt this chocolate by putting it in a microwave for around 30 to 40 seconds and then stirring, and then we'll repeat that process until all the chocolate is melted. You can do the same thing over a double boiler as well. Right here you have a blank canvas and you can paint it the way you like. Basically what that means is that you can flavor this the way you like, and I'm going to flavor this using some kesar and pistachios today. I'll be adding a few strands of kesar today, but make sure to add the kesar to the chocolate while the chocolate is still a little warm so that the flavor of the kesar can get nicely incorporated. You can optionally add a drop of yellow food color, but I'm not going to do that because today we are going to rely on the natural colors of this. I'm going to also add a pinch of Elaichi powder or cardamom powder into this. And now is the time to add our condensed milk. This is that ingredient which is going to give us that fudgy texture. After adding all the condensed milk, we'll just stir both of those together and you will instantly see that everything starts to get nice and thick. If you don't want to use saffron strands, you can also use saffron extract, and that is also going to give it a very good flavor as well as some color. And now we'll keep the fudge aside and we'll chop up some pistachios. Once again, if you don't have pistachios, feel free to use any other kinds of nuts, or you can completely skip them as well. When the pistachios are mixed all the way through, we can just transfer this to a lined container. I'm going to use a glass one, but you can use any other type of container as well. Make sure to press it down nice and tight so that you can get those perfect squares. After that's done, we'll garnish this with some chopped pistachios and some kesar strands. We'll cover this and we'll let it sit on the counter at least for 3 to 4 hours. You can also refrigerate this for 1 or 2 hours and you'll be good to go. And now when our fudge has completely set, it's ready to cut. Just look at that natural beautiful color, guys. It has come out really great, and you can just see in a second that the texture is great as well. If you want it to be a little more fudgy, you can just let it sit in the counter so that it does not harden up. If you want it to be a little more stable, then you can refrigerate it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like this recipe. We are planning to post more Diwali related recipes on our Instagram as well as on our YouTube, so make sure to subscribe to both our channels and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much, guys.